Hello, this is Sade Joseph, and welcome back to my channel, my self-care and lifestyle channel. On today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing video. Woo! What I'm going to be unboxing is Fourth Ray Beauty. If you haven't heard of Fourth Ray Beauty, honey, you are missing out. They are such beautiful, beautiful products. And when I first saw them on my Instagram page, I'm like, I gotta have you. And so, my package just came yesterday. So we are going to be doing a fun unboxing of that. And you all get to see what I bought. I definitely want to try their body milks, and that jam Sesh really looked awesome. I'm always looking for like new and cool and fun skincare products and body care products. So this is definitely gonna be. If you like unboxings like I do, then be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment to your girl Day up in here for more content like this. So if you're ready to get into this video like I am, because I'm ready to open this thing, then stay tuned. Alright, so let's get into this unboxing. This is the box. Okay, very nice. It said fragile. No, I'm kidding. It says fragile on the box. This is the inside. So this is the little paper that came with it. Fourth Ray Beauty. So what we have in here first is the watermelon face milk. Oh my god. Balancing moisture, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. Use as needed. Safe for all skin types. Dermatologist tested. 100% cruelty-free. Vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. I love vegan and cruelty. Nice and nice and nice. This is what it looks like. It smells like, I don't know if this is a thing, but it smells like candied watermelon almost. It smells really good. Oh my god, it smells really, really good. Right? It looks good, right? Oh my goodness, they're not playing. Alright, I can't wait to try that. This is the White Peach Body Milk 3.3 fluid ounces, because I got the mini one too. Isn't it cute? It's like a little milk carton. The routine: shake before use, apply daily to clean skin immediately after shower. Is in here peach extract, known to hydrate skin and leave it feeling ultra soft and supple. And so this is the bigger body milk. And actually, I'm sorry, I can't get over the packaging. It's too adorable. And the coconut is so adorable. And what is in here is coconut milk and marshmallow root. The coconut milk is known to replenish her, and I swear it's adorable. Okay, now the big question is, do you open it like a milk carton? You open it from the top. So cute. Fourth Ray Beauty Coconut Body Milk. Oh my god, it's so cute. Ooh, I don't want to break it. Okay. No, I can't smell it. Does it have a seal on it. Mmm, smells good. You can really smell the coconut in this. Ooh, it really is like milk for real. It really smells good. Oh my god, I can't. It is, oh, I am in love. I post all day. I can make it. Oh, yep. Okay. Yeah, that's new. What it looks like. I have like the watermelon face milk, of course, but I did want to try the strawberry face milk as well, and I figured, you know what, and plus I think they were having a sale too, so that helped a lot. And so so since I was able to get the big and the mini body milks, I'm like, ooh, I can get like one of the face milks. I really love watermelon, and get the jam Sesh because I really love strawberries too. I am a mess. And then like try all that. And so, and plus there's seed oil in back here that you can follow for skin benefits. The routine: use the strawberry kit in these steps for a super soft, hydrated skin. Step 1, strawberry face polish. Massage into skin using circular motions, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly. Step 2, strawberry face milk. Where is it? Strawberry face milk over here. And apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, you know, when you, and gently press into skin. In step 3, the strawberry seed oil. Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. And this is Jam Sesh. I really can't wait to try this out. You know, YouTube thumbnail. So these are the products in the unboxing from Fourth Ray Beauty. I'm not a sponsor. I'm not sponsored or anything. And follow me on self.care.empress. My Instagram is self.care.empress. I don't think I mentioned that before. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Like, share, and comment. What was your favorite product from the unboxing that you would like to try? And I will see you beautiful people later. Alrighty. Bye. I think I'm overdosing.